ladies and gentlemen, it's your host, Red Tail Randy, and fish unboxing. I know I haven't posted in a while, but we're back. Okay, you can see by that, $8.98 for three neon tetras. They're not huge, but they'll do. And they're going into one of my tanks. Yep. Alright. Time for them to go in here. Oh. This has changed a lot. I'll explain that to you while I put these guys in here. It's kind of hard to do this. Oh, foot leak. Boom. Oh, they're so small. Whoop. Okay, so they're in here. Look at these three. They're so small. Look at them. Alright, so there's microfauna in here. You might not be able to see it, but there's Daphnia and stuff running around, cyclopses, a ton of freshwater limpets. Oh my lord, there's so many in here. Oh, no face reveal. Yeah, so while we wait, it's gonna be a 15-minute wait. While we wait, a lot has changed, okay? This entire tank, this whole thing, revamped. Like, all this stuff, new. That's a... Oh, I'm sorry, the glasses. Dirty as hell. Oh, heck. I guess whatever. No kids are gonna watch this anyway. We have some swords. There's a watermelon sword back there, but I'm like 90% sure it's dead. Or dying. We got the Hygrophila, I believe. We've got up here, oh well, Salvinia, frogbit, dwarf water lettuce, and a tiny remnant population of redroot floaters. Got the pothos in here. We got the philodendron micans, the very sad looking peace lily. Oh my god, he's so sad. I've got some Anubias barteri back here. More swords. I have a ton of swords in here. And a lot of algae and a lot of algae, as well as, I'm forgetting their name, the Vallisinaria. Got some thick val, like 5 foot long arm length val. It's huge. Okay, so these guys, I'm gonna wait for them to get acclimated, so see you in about 15 odd minutes. Alright, Tail Randy, out. And we're back. Okay, so I caught this guy. This fiend snuck into my aquarium. We don't appreciate that. We don't take that too kindly. I think it's a ramshorn snail. I'm not entirely sure, but him and his microfauna buddies are talking in there right now. I don't trust you. Alright, tank looks the same. No more tannins. But the three neons just sitting here, chilling out, ready to get released. So we're gonna move the snail jar out of the way. We're gonna, oh lord, this is gonna be so hard one-handed. Alright, we're just gonna completely remove that lid. Gonna watch out, boom. Alright. Alright. into your new home. Door. Okay. Okay. Go. Oh, first one out. Oh. I guess 2 are out. And 3. Alright. This bag is frustrating. Oh, God. Dang it. Okay. Alright. Okay. So officially, I have no idea where they are. Oh, okay. Here we have one guy. I gotta deal with this real quick. Okay, boom. Let me wash off my hands. Put this back on. Okay. Look at this little dude. He looks so happy. Swimming around. He's liking that current. Alright, that's 1. Okay, 2 more. Oh, there's a second one. Look at him. Now, I cannot gender these. They're a little young for that. They should... Oh, where did he go? They should find each other and school up for a bit before going fully independent. But so far we've got 1 over there and 1 here in the corner. Oh, right there. Okay. Numero trace. Number 3. I have no sweet clue where the third one is. Ooh, some bubbles. Maybe he stayed at the top? No. Well, there's 2 neons in here now. Look at them. Alright, well, that pretty much wraps up the episode. I'm gonna try and find that third neon. If I do, I'll record more. I'm not finding him. There's a bunch of really intricate rock work back there. So he really could be anywhere. They're so small, I would have no idea. I'm gonna check the bag just in case. Oh my god, he is in here. Oh shit, okay. Oh my poor guy. Oh buddy. Are you okay? Oh no, okay. Okay buddy, oh my lord. You poor dear. Okay, out you go. So, figured out the reason we couldn't find the third one. He was still in the bag. Oh my goodness, I feel terrible. I am an awful fish owner. You poor, poor soul. He's back there. Oh, I feel so awful. He's blending in back there. The rest of them... No, oh. There's one. 2. And I don't know where the third one is. Oh my lord. Okay, well, that's kind of all she wrote for this episode. I'll do an update on why I did all this and how everything's going. But yeah, things are keeping up. I wouldn't be so quick to get attached to these 3. They may... I don't know how cycled this tank is. It's been running for a few months. Since my last episode was basically when I set this up. It's real fancy Wallstead method. Wilco potting soil. The good stuff, you know. Oh, they're schooling. There's 2 of them. Look at them. Happy little dudes. And then number 3 is a mystery. But yeah. Okay. So this video's dragged on for a bit. I'll let y'all go. Oh, wait. Oh, here's all of them. There's 2 back here, and 1 guy right here. He swims a little funny, poor thing. It's probably because he was getting a little crushed by that bag. I feel so bad. Poor thing. Alright, buddy. Hope you settle in well. Go find your friends. They're down there waiting for you, buddy. Oh no, this guy's gonna make it. Oh, poor guy. I feel so bad about that. Well, if he makes it, I'll let y'all know. If he doesn't, I'll let y'all know. And with that, Red Tail Randy out.